Looking for the fuse box in your Honda Odyssey, 2018 to 2024? I'll guide you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can spot the right fuse easily. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box, Type A, in the 2018 to 2024 Honda Odyssey protects key interior electrical systems such as infotainment, power windows, climate control, cabin lighting, and convenience features. It uses fuses and relays to ensure reliable operation and safeguard sensitive electronics from overloads and faults. The passenger compartment fuse box, Type B, in the 2018 to 2024 Honda Odyssey protects secondary interior circuits, including convenience features, accessory power supplies, and electronic control modules. It helps ensure reliable operation and targeted circuit protection. The passenger compartment fuse box, Type C, in the 2018 to 2024 Honda Odyssey supports and protects additional interior electrical circuits, including comfort features, accessory systems, and control modules. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box, Type A, in the 2018 to 2024 Honda Odyssey protects major powertrain and high-load electrical systems, including engine management, fuel system, cooling fans, and charging circuits. It uses high-current fuses and relays to ensure reliable power distribution and circuit protection. The engine compartment fuse box, Type B, in the 2018 to 2024 Honda Odyssey protects additional high-current systems such as ABS, lighting, cooling components, and auxiliary electrical circuits. Rear side interior fuse box. The rear side interior fuse box in the 2018 to 2024 Honda Odyssey protects rear cabin electrical systems such as power sliding doors, rear entertainment features, accessory outlets, and comfort-related electronics. It provides dedicated circuit protection for reliable operation of rear vehicle functions. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.